Hey everybody, just a quick little video on rebuild. Finally starting to put it all back together. Just got the tank back on. Just put the air box back in. Max Rev limiter. I'm still going to take the muffler off, polish it. But one thing I discovered when I was putting Armor All on the tires is wheel bearing's loose. Need a replacement wheel bearing. Watch this. See, this one over here is still good, but I'll probably replace it. That one's stiff. She's loose, so that's my next project. I'll make a video on when I do that. Other than gonna clean these plastics up real good, put the nuts back on the Nerf bars. I got the Nerf bars all polished up over here. Just getting ready to put back on. Other than that, it's all going good. Yeah.